Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all charging methods for your headphones Xiaomi Buds 2 Pro. And the first one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power and USB-C cable to USB-C port on your charging case. And we can see LED light here, so it means that it's charging. Cool. Now, the second one is to use your phone. All you need to have is just a USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to USB-C port. And we can see again a LED light, so it means that it's charging. And the last one, your phone support wireless charging. So you can use wireless charging station to charge it, but you should find good position. Right now I find it. It's charging, and also reverse wireless charging from your phone. But your phone, of course, should support it. And again, it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.